Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to find the class code in Google Classroom. Be sure to watch till the end so you don't miss the exact location. First, go to the classroom.google.com or simply open your application. After opening your Google Classroom application, if you are a teacher, the class code is right on the student page. Find the class which you want to share the code. Suppose I want to share the class code of this class. Simply click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see the class code. Simply copy it by holding it. It says copied class code. Now you can provide the class code to the student. If you are a student, you won't see the class code after you join the class. Only teacher have the access to the code to invite new student. And that's how you find the class code in Google Classroom. If you are a student trying to join class, ask your teacher for the code. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.